Login failed on Zacks App Fix. You open the Zacks app to check your stock rankings or market insights, but instead, you get a login failed error. It's frustrating, but most people get this wrong. The issue isn't always your password. Here's how to fix it quickly. First, check your internet connection. The Zacks app needs a stable and secure connection to verify your account and pull market data. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or toggle airplane mode on and off to refresh the connection. Next, make sure your Zacks app is updated. Outdated versions can cause login problems after new updates are rolled out on the servers. Go to your App Store or Google Play, search Zacks and tap Update. If that doesn't solve it, manually re-enter your username and password. Avoid using Sate autofill data that often stores outdated credentials. If you recently changed your password, make sure you're entering the latest one. Still unsure? Tap Forgot Password to reset it. Now, clear your app cache. On Android, go to Settings Apps Zacks Clear Cache. On iPhone, delete and reinstall the app to refresh its data. This often removes corrupted session files that block access. If you're using a VPN or proxy, turn it off temporarily. Zacks may block login attempts from unusual or foreign IP addresses for security reasons. If everything seems fine, but you still can't log in, it could be a temporary issue on Zacks' end, like maintenance or a server update. Wait 10 to 15 minutes, then try again. So if your Zacks app says login failed, don't panic. It's usually a small issue. Check your internet, update the app, re-enter your credentials, clear your cache, and disable your VPN. Once you do, you'll be back tracking stocks, analyzing data, and managing your portfolio without interruption.